Latest coming from fire officials here in Paris.
Experts looking into all structural aspects of the cathedral to see which areas have been structurally damaged, which areas will have to be taken down, knocked down, or consolidated and supported. The work that we want to focus on now is supporting these experts in what they have to do, in determining what we need to do to shore up the structure, to ensure that the structure will stay standing. The two bell towers were saved thanks to the work of the fire department. Our work is to ensure that we can work safely. And what I'm talking about here are 400 firemen working day in, day out to support the specialists in their expert reports. This requires us to put in additional means and resources. We will have boats patrolling up and down the Seine River to ensure that we have enough access to water for further firefighting activities. We have a representative here from the Ministry of Culture who will be looking through the entire structure to see what we have to do and to help us come with an action plan for consolidating the structure. What is happening currently on site? So we have 60-odd people on site who are keeping a close eye on what is happening to ensure that the structure of the scaffolding is still safe and to support those teams. The support structure inside the stone structure of the cathedral has been saved, and we have to ensure that all of the stained glass windows that were saved remain undamaged. So our main effort now is to ensure that the stone support structures for those stained glass windows suffer no further damage. In some instances, we have to shore up and consolidate the support of those stone structures within inside the stained glass windows to avoid any further collapse and further damage. Can you tell us exactly what the firemen are doing exactly within inside the cathedral? So firemen working within inside the structure, within inside the cathedral, they will be looking for any spots and areas within the cathedral where the fire was specifically intense to be able to ensure that there is no further fire damage. This is why we have additional firefighters on site to ensure that if a hotspot is located, that we will be able to quench those hotspots, because we would not want the fire to start up again. We have to ensure the safety of our firemen, and the firemen are there to ensure the safety of the experts and the expert architects who are carrying out their own investigative processes, because they are the experts who will be able to truly understand what sort of structural damage has occurred within the specific stone structures inside the cathedral. In terms of all of the different artworks which inside the cathedral, as much as been saved has been done, and we are currently removing some of those artworks still. Our work started on the 15th of April, at the same time as the experts who were working tirelessly with our firemen, the firemen and the experts were working to evacuate as many of the artifacts and treasures within inside the cathedral as possible. We're able to save all of the relics thanks to that effort. And what about following the fire? Yes, there are still works being removed now the fire is over. What are you doing to ensure the safety of the entire area around the cathedral and within the cathedral? Surveillance, reconnaissance, artwork protection. Everything that we do is taking into account all level of risk. It's a very calculated risk, and we do as much as we can to ensure that the safety of the bell towers is ensured to avoid further collapse.
Oui, effectivement, cette aventure, cette opération, ces 9 heures
This
d'engagement
operation,
acharné,
it's 9 long hours of intense work, and that requires a lot of team work between our own fire departments, working with the police department, associations like the Red Cross. And now we're currently working with experts. And it's those experts who are going to be able to truly determine the action plan for the future, to be able to consolidate the structure and then start talking about further reconstruction efforts. But what about the inquiries and investigations? About those people working inside the cathedral. The Paris Fire Department has some information as to how the fire propagated throughout the building and how it spread. We have some time-based data on that, but we will be carrying out our own expert analysis. And we will be providing all of our own analysis to the experts who will be able to come up with a true understanding of what happened on the night of the fire. All of our intervention teams turned up on the night to carry out their work. We're talking about police department, the fire department, special investigative teams. We all turned up on the night so that we can have a true understanding of exactly what happened. But apparently there were some people who were not allowed to enter the building. What about that? Well, I think you would... I can't comment on that. Since this morning, we've seen that a number of support beams have been put in place. What can you comment on that?
Alors effectivement, le point névralgique, comme la surveillance des points chauds, comme l'évacuation des œuvres,
the main work that we have to do, on top of carrying out studies and analysis of the different hotspots within the building, is to ensure that the building does not collapse. And the other main area that we have to work on is the scaffolding. The scaffolding, which has been somewhat deformed by heat through extensive heat damage. The vaulted ceiling also has been slightly damaged, which we need to ensure that it does not suffer further damage or further collapse. So we are trying to work on ensuring that the scaffolding will be safely removed. This requires some technical expertise because we have to remove that scaffolding safely and correctly. I unfortunately can't answer any questions about reconstruction or about the time that it will take. We will take as much time as necessary to ensure that the expert teams can do their work safely. Are we talking about a number of days to remove the scaffolding? Again, I can't answer. The French fire departments are working with the experts, and it is up to the experts to decide on how and how long it is going to take to remove the scaffolding. There are also a number of statues which will have to be removed to avoid further damage to the support buttress beams. What about the north facade? Are there a number of statues on the north facade which are going to be removed? Yes, a number of statues will be removed, maybe a number of stones or loose stone pieces to avoid any further damage to the buttresses. Because some of the support beams are just standing freely now in light of recent damage, so we have to avoid that they collapse further. If the weather conditions were to change, if strong winds were to come through, we have to ensure that no further damage occurs. Any further questions? On the alarm, some people are saying that the fire alarm was malfunctioning on the night of the fire and that maybe it went off far too late. This is a question which hopefully we'll be able to shed light on through the inquiry. Unfortunately, I don't have an answer for you today. We are ensuring that all of the security measures that are being put in place are effective. One such security measure is further fire detection, and that's why we have teams on site to ensure that there are no further fires that occur. And we will always have teams on hand to ensure that if a fire does occur, another fire, then we will have teams who will be able to intervene in a timely fashion. Yes, I understand your question, because some of our firemen will have to continue dealing with our day-to-day work and may have to be taken off the site if another fire were to occur in Paris.
For
the time being, we have not noticed any delays in our fire teams and fire brigades intervening when they have been called out on a call. So for the time being, our services are still functioning normally. Just to remind you of what happened on the night, 30 fire trucks were sent out at the same time to the event. Here we're talking about a building which is an amazingly complex building to tackle in terms of fire. So that's why we had to mobilize as many of our structures as possible. What about the fireman who was injured? He's doing very well. Thank you for asking. When we're intervening, it took 9 hours to quench the fire and to contain it. We had to ensure that the water that was being sprayed onto the structure was not too strong, so that we wouldn't create further damage or that we wouldn't damage the very delicate stained glass windows. On arrival, it was very clear, because we could see that there was a very thick smoke billowing down the streets. And that is why we had to set up as close as possible to ensure that we could tackle the fire. We also had another major issue of dealing with passers-by who were in the area, and there were people milling around the area, which is why we needed to call in considerable levels of support. So we had to ensure not only the fire, we had to tackle the fire, but we also had to ensure the public safety. The team members who were able to go up into the towers were able to do so as quickly as possible to avoid that the fire spread to the bell towers. And at the same time, we also had to ensure that we could protect as much of the relics and the artwork that were contained inside the cathedral. So we had all of this to manage at the same time. When you arrived on the site, did you realize just how extensive the fire was? Yes, the second we turned up on site, we realized just how extensive the fire was. I mean, we know this building. We have already been there on a number of occasions to check fire safety exits and the like. So we knew exactly what a fire in this sort of building could be like. The main effort was to try and stop fire spreading as much as possible. In some instances, we weren't able to stop the fire spreading, but the main aim also was for us to stop the bell towers being damaged or catching fire. Obviously, we don't always expect a cathedral to take fire, but once we are faced with the fact that a cathedral is on fire, then we just have to do as much as we can. We have all of the training to do so. And again, we have to try and ensure that the fire does not spread as much as possible. Also, we had issues in communication between the different levels. We had to ensure that when you have teams in one section of the building and others in other sections of the building, that they can communicate with each other to avoid teams suffering any means of accidents. There is always the danger of the building collapsing around them. Other risks? Well, you have to climb up to the very top of the building, the very narrow stairwells. It's very challenging to get up there. And then once you're up there, you don't know what could happen up the top. You don't know when the ceiling is going to collapse, and then when the spire collapsed, we had to withdraw our men, and then with them we were able to bring in cranes to extend right up to as high as possible to be able to reach to the roofing area so that we could start trying to douse the fire from up there. But then the bell towers were another major concern, so we had to do as much as we could to try and save the bell towers and stop them from catching fire. I was one of the first trucks to arrive on the forecourt of Notre Dame. And then once I was able to see what was happening, I was able to organize the teams, and I was able to determine which was going to be the primary access to the bell tower and send a team up to the top balcony level. Then I was able to call on for reinforcements. Those reinforcements were able to be sent in from other fire stations from around Paris. And then once I sent the information up to my superiors, they were able to further coordinate the operation, and we were able to get right up to the top floor to further tackle the fire in those top floors. It took us 9 hours to contain the fire. Did you ever think that you were not going to be able to contain the fire? The second we saw how extensive the fire was, we knew it was going to be very challenging to truly save everything and save the spire. However, the main action areas were public safety, save the primary facade and the bell towers, and also the safety of our men, and the safety of the artworks. So that were the main areas that we had to focus on. All we know is that the second we got the call, we were very fast to reach the site. Everything was put in place as fast as possible, and we did everything in as timely manner as possible. We acted very quickly. But again, we're talking about a wooden structure at the top of a cathedral. It's not an easy fire to deal with, but we did it as efficiently and effectively as possible. In terms of the two towers and the belfry, we put in as much as possible, as many resources as possible, to try and save those structures, because had we not done so, then the entire structure probably would have gone up in flames. The cranes that we brought in and the telescopic ladders, they helped us considerably in that effort. What is quite particular with this sort of situation is that when you're trying to get up inside the structure, you're dealing with very narrow passages. The material and the equipment you're carrying is very heavy, and it takes up a lot of space. And we had to go up in the top of the two towers. Again, access is very hard, because once you're up there, you need space to be able to utilize your equipment. Also, the balcony is only about 1 meter wide. And once you get up there, it's a complete disaster scene that you're faced with. You're faced with the ceiling and the roof structure, which is catching light all over the place. So it is quite dangerous. So once they got there, they realized that they had to save the two towers at all costs, first and foremost. It's a disaster. It's because the Cathedral of Notre Dame is a building that we know quite intimately, and everyone, the French public and international public, they know quite intimately. And the ceiling structure, the roofing structure, is an artwork in itself. So we tried to do as much as possible, even though we knew that once we got there, we saw the extent of the fire, that it would be almost impossible to contain. We know this building inside out. We know all of the access points. We know all of the different stairwells. We know it inside out. So that was why we were able to do exactly what we had to do to try and contain it as quickly and as much as possible. So the second we arrived on site, we put everything in motion to do our job as effectively as possible. We did the best we could. No matter what fire we're dealing with, we always try and do our best, whether it's a Cathedral of Notre Dame or whether it's a home or an apartment block. Whenever there's a fire, we do our job. Granted, Notre Dame is quite an iconic building, and because it's such an iconic building, that brings with it a number of challenges, but those sorts of challenges are challenges like the fact that there are many people who are standing around the area, and the area needs to be cordoned off and made secure. Is there something you say to your brigades before you head out to such a fire? Look, no matter who we are trying to fight the fire for, no matter what religion we come from, even though it's a religious building, we do our job. And there's no point in hammering on the point that this was Notre Dame, that this was a cathedral. It was a fire, and we did our job.
c'est complexe, c'est particulier.
It's always a very complex issue to deal with.
Oui, c'est clair que c'est l'intervention la plus majeure que j'ai pu rencontrer.
And yes, I would say that this is probably the biggest fire that I've ever had to work on.
Aurait pu s'effondrer. En fait, quelle était la menace très précise? C'était la chaleur?
What were the major threats that you had to deal with? Just the fire or the heat?
Il vous apportera les renseignements.
I'm sure that there
parce
are
que c'est dans son
other
cadre
people who will be
d'émission.
able to provide you with other metrics, but I can give you very technical information. Within the tower, we have the head of the fire
Il n'est pas là
warden,
pour juger la structure.
and
C'est
we
pas une
have
formation.
other fire
là,
staff
il est là
here,
pour
but their
évaluer les
aim
risques et
and their
mettre les
work
moyens
is
en œuvre.
not to evaluate the
Ensuite,
structural damage,
dans
it
les
is
moyens de
their
renfort
job
qu'il a
to
sollicités,
determine what sort
on
of
vient,
firefighting measures we have to
des
put in
connaissances
place.
spécifiques acquises, apporter le renseignement nécessaire.
Then, once the fire is
Pour
over, it is up to them to
répondre à votre question.
provide
Votre question, elle est
any other
fondamentale
specific
sur la
information.
structure.
Now, your question is
Pourquoi elle est
very
fondamentale?
much
Mais je pense que je
an
vais y
essential
revenir
question
après
for
dans
the
ce que vous
structure.
allez me demander en cas de patrimoine.
But I'm sure you're going to ask another question
Les
about the
beffrois,
buildings that
ils
remain.
sont
Here
dans
we're
le
talking
cadre
about
des
the
arches,
belfry.
ils ont une capacité à
And the
retenir l'ensemble de
belfry.
l'édifice et des arches. À partir du moment où
Two
cet
towers,
ensemble,
they are pillars
la
which
toiture
keep the
étant
entire
partie,
building
c'est-à-dire
up.
que la
So the second
charpente,
you lose those
elle est
buildings, then you
complètement brûlée.
fragilize the
Il y a
structure
effondrement
drastically.
partiel
And once the
sur
roofing structure
les
is gone,
arcades, sur la grande nef, sur le transept. Structurellement,
once
l'édifice
you lose
est
that,
atteint.
you
Et dans le
can
cadre de
quite
la propagation, nous
clearly see
étions
that
sous
the
le vent, et ce qui a
entire
été une
building is going
décision
to be affected.
forte du général commandant de la brigade. Il a fallu faire le choix.
And
Quand
therefore,
on a envoyé
the commander of the
l'adjudant-chef
brigade had to make a very
et en
difficult
fait un
decision
commando
when he was
d'attaque
headed out as head
pour
of the
couper,
firefighting
barrer le feu
effort.
au niveau des
They had
beffrois,
to
c'est qu'il y avait
ensure
une
that the
propagation
fire
qui
was
était en
stopped at
cours
all
au
costs
niveau
before it
du
reached the
beffroi
belfry.
nord, au niveau des cloches,
And
dont
this is
tous les
why they had to
supports
work
sont en
at
bois.
the
Si le feu
on
gagnait cette structure
stopping the
en
fire
bois,
from reaching the
le
wooden
beffroi était
structures
perdu.
at the two
À partir
bell
du
towers
moment où
and
on
the
perd
belfry,
la
because
guerre
the
du
second
beffroi,
you lose the
en fait,
war of the
on perd
belfry,
la cathédrale parce qu'il
you
y a
lose the entire
effondrement chez
cathedral,
nous.
because it would be a domino
Répondre à la
effect
partie
from there on out.
structurelle.
And that's just
Si
a
c'était la question
structural,
posée.
technical point that I could raise there for you.
Vous parliez de sauver des œuvres. Il y a apparemment 10 sapeurs-pompiers qui sont rentrés, qui à un moment ont pris le risque.
Apparently, 10 firemen entered the building and risked their lives to save some of the artworks.
Et deux, est-ce que vous pouvez raconter ce qui s'est passé?
Alors,
Eh,
non,
can you
je ne fais pas
comment on
partie de
that?
la sauvegarde des œuvres, vu que j'étais venu
No, I
de
was
la
not actually working
toiture.
on the
Après, ça fait partie intégrante de
the
notre
efforts
mission.
to save the artworks.
L'extinction du foyer principal, la lutte contre
I was working on stopping the spread of the fire and working
Cependant,
on dealing with the fire as a general.
avec des pompiers
Oh.
prévus pour
There
protéger
were
les œuvres,
firemen
pour les
who
déplacer,
were sent
avec
in
un plan de
purely
sauvegarde précis.
to save the artworks, and that was their sole job,
On connaît là, un plan
Oui,
de
j'en
sauvegarde
reparlerai
précis.
après.
and that is what they did.
Sur le robot, pourquoi un robot? À
So there's a
partir
question
du moment
about
où
the
la flèche
robot.
s'est effondrée en partie
So
centrale,
the second
on a
that
décidé de
the
retirer
spire
donc
collapsed,
les
we decided
personnels qui
to
étaient engagés à
we
l'intérieur,
chose to
par les
withdraw
escaliers et les
all
tours, et
withdraw
par
all
les
men
escaliers
from within
qui sont de
inside
part et d'autre
the
du
building
cœur.
and to remove them
À
from the
partir
heart
du
of the
moment où
building.
on a retiré ces équipes,
The
il y a
second
donc-
those
il n'y a donc
teams
plus
were
d'attaque
taken
hydraulique
out,
contre le feu et
we were
notamment
no
contre la
longer
partie effondrée qui
able
continuait à
to
brûler
to
dans la
douse
nef.
the fire that
Pour
had
éteindre
collapsed in through
cette
the
partie
roof with the spire
effondrée
and was now burning on the
brûlée,
inside of the building. So there were no
laisser
teams
l'ensemble
who were
de
able to
l'édifice.
douse
Pour ne
that
pas
fire.
engager la ressource humaine,
So
on a
we,
engagé ce robot d'extinction
instead of
qui nous permet en
using
fait à distance d'éteindre sans
human
engager,
beings,
sans prendre de risque.
firefighters,
C'est un
we
robot
sent
qu'on
in
utilise
a
très rap-
robot.
très- très
It's a
souvent,
robot that we use
notamment pour
very
tout ce qui est
frequently
infrastructure
in
souterraine.
in
Parc de stationnement
such
couvert.
situations.
J'imagine
For
que vous avez
example, when
entendu
you
parler
have
du
an
Grand Paris
underground fire,
Express avec son nombre de galeries potentielles, ces
any
gares multimodales,
fire that occurs
c'est
in a
un
tunnel, for example, we
outil
send
que les
in
pompiers de Paris
a
ont
robot.
inventé et qui nous
It's a robot that was
permettra
devised
de
by
lutter
the
sans
fire
engager,
brigade of Paris,
notre ressource humaine.
and it
qui a
is a
été
way
bien
of ensuring that we save
sollicité. Vous
our
savez qu'en moins d'un an,
firefighters
on a perdu
and
4
keep them
hommes.
safe.
Il
Because we
s'agissait
had one instance in the
cette
past where we
attaque
lost 4 firemen in
particulière,
such a
exceptionnelle,
dangerous
avec un
situation.
engagement de plus de 400 pompiers de ne pas perdre d'hommes
So
sur
here
Notre-Dame.
we're talking about a fire with 400 firemen working on it, and our main commitment was to not lose a single one of them.
À un moment, il fait encore jour. Vous pouvez nous éclairer sur la présence de cet homme porte un gilet. Qui était-il? Qu'est-ce qu'il faisait là pour des cours au rumeur?
Bien sûr, et c'est avec une grande joie que je coupe cette rumeur. Il s'agissait tout
There's a rumor
simplement
going
du
around, and I would like to nip it in the
commandant
bud.
des opérations de secours, qui porte
The-
une chasuble jaune sur laquelle
there
est
was
marqué
a man walking around with a yellow vest, and he was there for a very specific reason. He was actually walking between the two towers. You can see that the man is wearing a helmet, and the reason he's there is to look at the fire. Quite regularly, the operation commander will look around the fire to ensure that the teams are doing what they're meant to be doing, and to ensure that the decisions that the fire commander has made are actually working to contain the fire, and that everything that is being done is effective in ultimately containing the fire. So that is why there is a man that you saw in some images wearing a helmet and wearing a yellow vest. In fact, it was a fireman.
Mais vous voulez qu'on sorte un peu là pour l'instant?
On peut peut-être faire différents. Vous arrêtez là ouais, je pense qu'on peut faire différentes phases de témoignage. Une partie peut-être plus structurelle, prévention. La suite des opérations, c'est davantage le lieutenant-colonel qui pourra y répondre.
Oui, tout ce qui est technique, opération autre, c'est le cœur de métier parce qu'il y a la jeunesse de France.
Ça vous intéresse, c'est ça? Pour la phase d'expertise? D'accord, d'accord.
Tout nous intéresse.
Tout nous intéresse. Oui.
Aussi bien les témoignages que votre expertise.
Bien sûr, oui, mais j'étais sur place en témoignage, mais je sais ce qu'ils peuvent en fait vous dire en qualité de premier acteur, et il va vous le dire.
Bien sûr.
Donc, racontez-nous un petit peu le début de cette intervention.
Could you tell us a bit about how the firefighting started? As it was already mentioned, the second we left the fire station, we realized the extent of the situation, with everyone standing outside, all of the people, the passers-by, who were blocking the area, and we could see the smoke, and we realized just how dramatic it was. And the second we got on site, we went straight into operation mode, and we went right up to the top of the cathedral to try and set up a number of fire hoses to try and stop the fire from spreading as much as possible. But what we could see was that the fire was spreading very quickly. I knew what to expect because I have already carried out a number of drills on the site with my fire brigade team, so my main focus was the mission at hand. I knew what to expect. So I didn't know what to expect. All we knew was that the roof was burning. We couldn't really see what was happening from down the bottom, so it was only once we got up to the top that we really saw the extent of the flames. It was very hot up the top, and we had to keep on pulling back and withdrawing because it was spreading so fast. When you get there, you don't really think about that sort of thing. Really, you have to take a step back from where you are and what you're doing. You just have to think about, here we're to do a job, and you do that job. But the second once you finish your job and you get back to the fire station, you just realize how much media coverage the fire is actually getting, and it was really then how much I realized just how extensive this fire was and how important it was. But again, when I was on the job, the aim was to try and save the two main towers and stop the fire from spreading. Did you stay 9 hours on site? Yes. How did you deal with the heat? As I said, we were right up the top when we started, but then we were evacuated because there was a high risk that the ceiling was going to collapse. But at the beginning, I spent about 1 hour up the top, and then once we're taken off the roof, we were given secondary missions to carry out. But we didn't spend 9 hours right in the heat of it. Again, there were many minor tasks that we had to carry out, many small fires that we had to carry out, and then we had to extinguish. But again, when you're a firefighter, you always work in pairs. And the reason for that is because you always have to work hand in hand. We know there are risks, and really when we saw the photos and the videos, I think that's when we really understood just what the fire was like. But it was fantastic that there were no major injuries during this firefight. I think we're quite proud of the work that we've done. We're proud of how we avoided the worst. It could have been much worse of it. And I think we know that we did our best and we saved as much as we could. So when you were out there in the field, Did you ever
Forcément, tout en
doubt
haut,
the
on
fact
est-
that
on
you
est
were going to be able to
peu
stop it?
de temps. Donc, c'est
Of
c'est
course,
limité
because
avec
we
les
just
autres.
have
Donc là, après,
we're just two people with a
comme
fire
c'était
hose
auparavant, on demande des moyens à
against
l'autre.
a massive
C'est
fire.
là
So
qui
there's
vont
always this doubt
permettre,
that goes through your mind that you're not going to be able to
sur le long terme.
contain the fire. But we kept that mission in mind. We had to contain the fire as much as possible.
Donc, quand on était en haut, on était en train de justement
When
de-
you're up
d'essayer
the
d'abattre
top,
les flammes.
again,
Et
you just
nous, on
try
avait
and
pas
fight
de
fire.
visualisation d'ensemble, et d'un
We
seul coup, on
really
entend
didn't have an
un
understanding
énorme
of the
bruit.
entire
Je
extent.
pense que c'était la flèche qui s'écroulait à ce moment-là.
And
Et
I
nous,
think
on savait pas du tout en fait.
when the spire collapsed, we didn't even notice it because we weren't right next to it.
De vos collègues et des hommes et des femmes que vous aviez
Bien sûr,
votre responsabilité.
bien sûr, à partir du moment où on engage des personnels
Whenever you send
de la
out staff
tour,
and
on voit des flammes qu'on
men and
va
women
évoluer,
to fight a fire,
ils ont deux petits
and
temps
when
sur le
you
départ pour
see the
manœuvrer,
extent of the fire,
ensuite on rajoute
you're
des lances,
always
ça continue
thinking
à brûler après.
they're just
On a
there
forcément
with a
cette
small
crainte
fire hose
en
against
tant
that.
que
And
chef
as a
qu'il
team
y ait
leader,
un
you
effondrement,
are
un éboulement,
always
quelque chose qui
terrified
propage.
that
Et
either
forcément,
the fire
oui,
will
on a
spread
peur
at a
pour eux,
sudden
donc on fait
rate,
attention,
that
on
there will be a
travaille en
fireball, that the
Forcément,
building
au
will
départ,
collapse.
on a une certaine
You
peur,
always
mais on est
fear
obligé de le
for
faire,
your
de
staff,
déplacer,
but you realize that you
tout en
have to send them in
respectant la
there.
base
You
de
have to move
sécurité,
them
donc de
into certain
pilonnage.
positions so that they can fight
Et
the fire.
ensuite,
But you
à
always
partir
try
du
and do
moment
it
où on a senti vraiment que la structure
with
commençait
reason.
à se fragiliser, que la flèche est
And when you
tombée,
see that
on a
the
pas hésité
structure
de
was
suite,
starting to
c'est-à-dire
become
qu'on a
very
pu
fragile,
retirer nos
and then
personnels
when
qui
the
étaient
spire
au
fell,
niveau
we made the
des
decision
principales tours,
to
mettre en
withdraw
place donc
our
les barres
firefighters who
élévateurs
were on
avec les
the
grandes
main
lances.
two towers,
Et
and
ensuite,
that's when
comme
we
ça,
brought in
on a pu
the
les faire souffler un petit peu.
major fire
Et
hoses,
ensuite, on a
and
pu
we're
leur
able to
refaire
give
travailler
the
en faisant
primary teams
l'extinction
a
donc
break,
de la flèche qui était tombée au centre de la cathédrale.
and then
Il faut
we're
savoir
able
qu'au
to
départ, le feu
extinguish
était limité
the
à la
fire
toiture,
that
donc
had
forcément,
spread
avec la chute de la flèche, il y avait un
into
feu au
the center of
rez-de-chaussée.
the building
Donc on a dû
once the
réadapter
fire
le
had
dispositif.
fallen in.
Et
we're
après,
able
une
to
fois que les
douse that
personnels
fire.
étaient écartés vraiment de
But really,
l'infrastructure
once
propre de la
our
tour,
firemen had been taken
c'était vraiment plus
off
plus
the major
simple,
structure
au moins
and
pour le
moved
côté de
away
la
from the main
flèche.
structure, we're able to really much better manage the situation.
En primo-intervenant, donc au
As
départ,
a
après, c'est en
first
termes d'engins
responder,
pompe,
and
donc
when
il y a
we first
une
arrived on
trentaine
site,
d'hommes au départ.
you start with
Au
about
fur et à
30
mesure.
people.
Donc nous, on est sur le secteur de compétences, donc on arrive très rapidement
Okay,
sur
so we were
l'intervention.
right nearby, so
Ensuite,
it
au
was
fur et
very
à
quick for us to
mesure de
arrive.
l'arrivée des
But then,
différents
as
équipages,
different
on
teams
les place aux
turn
différents
up,
points
we
d'attaque,
try
c'est
and
l'endroit où on met les lances.
position them around the
Donc
building
après, au
to
fur et à mesure, on arrive à une
cover the
dizaine
fire
au
as much
départ.
as
Ensuite,
possible.
rapidement, on
So
est
you
sur
start out
Paris
with
Centre,
10
donc
teams,
ça va relativement vite.
but then because you're in the heart of
Après,
Paris,
jusqu'à 20 et
very
30 personnels au
quickly
départ.
you end up
Ensuite,
with
avec
many
ma
more
demande de
teams that
renfort,
arrive.
forcément, il y a beaucoup plus de
But
monde
very
qui arrive,
quickly we
beaucoup
had
de
to
moyens lourds qui
call on
arrivent.
reinforcements,
Et c'est beaucoup
and
plus
with
simple
reinforcements
après
you have
pour
more
arriver au
people
moins
and much
à circonscrire
more
l'intervention et
intensive
être sûr d'avoir
equipment
des
which
moyens
arrives.
suffisants, sachant qu'après le commandement a pris le relais,
And
il a
then
demandé encore de
after a
nombreux
certain
engins
point,
supplémentaires.
the
Ce qui veut dire qu'après on avait vraiment en
the
termes
head command
d'effectifs, en
office,
termes
they
d'engins,
took over control
de
and
quoi faire
they
face.
sent in different fire trucks so that they could have a better intervention.
Après ça arrive vite, on est sur Paris, donc
Again,
je
we're in the
dirais
center of
à
Paris,
30, on
so
est là
everything
une
happened very
quinzaine de
fast.
minutes,
It took
grand
about 15
maximum.
minutes for
Donc, nous, on est
about 30
arrivé
of us
en
to
moins de
arrive on
30 minutes sur
site.
place. Donc après, voilà, après le temps d'établir, c'est rapide. Honnêtement, sur
Really,
Paris Centre,
very
c'est très
fast.
rapide.
Again, center of Paris, it's always very fast.
Sur quel est le sujet? Alors, où dois-je regarder?
Where's the question coming from?
Plutôt les caméras, plutôt les caméras. Aucun problème. Tu veilles sur moi?
Je vous surveille, mon colonel.
Ah, j'ai la jeunesse de France parmi moi, c'est bien. La jeunesse du terroir, hein, puisque nous venons tous de la province. Hein. Voilà.
Est-ce que vous pouvez redonner votre nom, pardon, mais comme ça on est
Oui,
sûr
donc lieutenant-colonel
I'm
José Vaz de
Colonel
Matos,
Lynette
conseiller
José de
expert,
Matos. I am
sécurité,
advisor
chef
and
du
expert
détachement des
for
sapeurs-pompiers
safety
de Paris auprès du ministère
the
de la Culture.
Expliquez-nous votre rôle. lundi
Paris
soir.
Fire Department, and I am here on
Comment vous êtes
behalf.
appelé et qu'est-ce
I'm a special
que sont,
attaché for the Ministry of Culture.
les décisions que vous prenez quand vous arrivez sur place.
En fait, moi, je suis appelé dès qu'il y a la notion de
I was
renfort commandement,
called
qui sont
upon
dans
the second
les
that
15
reinforcements
minutes, en
were
gros,
called
de
on.
l'arrivée,
So within 15 minutes, the 15 minutes after the
dès
first
que
responders arrived,
je suis porté
I was
au
contacted.
niveau du poste de commandement,
And
et,
I served
comme,
as a support
en
unit
fait,
within the command
expert du
post.
général commandant de la
I'm a
brigade.
general
Mon
expert.
rôle est dans
My
deux
role
domaines, en fait.
within that
Le
is a
premier
two-part
temps,
role.
il y a une phase d'urgence.
First, I have to
Cette
work
phase
in an
d'urgence,
emergency
elle
situation.
correspond à tout
What
ce
that
qui a
means
été prévu
is
en
that
termes de
I have to carry out
prévention.
everything that
Donc,
appears in
la
our prevention
prévention, c'est ce
plans.
qui régit l'établissement.
Prevention,
Je le rappelle toutefois parce que hier,
everything
j'en
that
ai vu
governs the
tellement que
building.
je préfère le rappeler.
What I mean by that
Notre-Dame
is
est
that
un
Notre-Dame
établissement recevant du public
is a
de type
public structure
V, L
of type
et Y.
V, L,
V
Y.
pour établissement de culte,
V,
L pour
because it's a
lieu
religious
de
building.
réunion, de concerts, de
L, because
conférences,
it's where you have
Y,
concerts and
de musée.
conferences there.
Cet
The
établissement,
third letter,
il est
because
prévu
it
pour
is
recevoir
considered a
jusqu'à
museum.
3000 personnes.
It's a building
Donc la
in which
priorité au
you can
départ,
have up
quand
to
j'arrive
3,000
vis-à-vis du
people.
COS,
So my main
et
priority
les premiers
when I
engagés
arrived,
ont pris la main, puisque c'est dans leur prérogative,
before I
les
handed
premiers
over
primo-intervenants, ils ont fait
organization,
en sorte de
was that
s'assurer de
we had to
l'évacuation
ensure
totale
that the entire building was
publique
evacuated
et personnelle
of all
de l'édifice.
public
Ça,
and all
c'est la
staff
règle
members
numéro un.
within the
Pour
building.
pouvoir
So
intervenir
the
dans de bonnes
entire
conditions.
building had to be evacuated to
Étant
ensure that we
donné
could
qu'on a déjà le
fight
souci
the fire
public
as effectively as possible.
qui est écarté, ensuite,
Then once
et
the
il se
public
trouve
has been
que cet
evacuated,
établissement, je le connais bien, puisque je l'ai
again, I
défendu
know the
pendant
building
5 ans.
very well because
J'étais
I
moi-même dans cette
worked on it for
caserne
5 years.
à Masséna, comme chef du secteur de
I knew it
compétences.
very well from my time as a
Et,
firefighter and also
ayant
from later
fait
on
de
in my career.
nombreuses visites dans cette
I've
cathédrale,
visited the cathedral on numerous
ce
occasions
que nos jeunes intervenants ont ressenti, je connaissais parfaitement
and
la
think of the
situation,
young
puisqu'il s'agit d'escaliers en
firefighters who are
colimaçon
working there.
très étroits,
I know exactly
60
what it's
centimètres.
like.
Quand
They're
vous
very
êtes
tight
équipé
stairwells
avec un
that
appareil
spiral up,
respiratoire
and when you
isolant,
have your respiratory
avec
gear on,
une
when you have
masse,
all of your
avec un
equipment, when you have all of the weight
avec des
of that, when you
tuyaux
have
sur
your
le dos,
crowbar,
et que
when
vous
you have
montez
all
le
of your
nombre de
equipment
marches,
on you,
vous
and the number of
comprenez
stairs
pourquoi
you have to
il
go up.
faut une capacité physique
I know exactly
d'endurance
what it's
exceptionnelle,
like, and you
et
have
il
to
faut
be
aussi
in
des chefs
physically
qui soient au
peak
contact,
condition,
parce que
and
il
you have
y
to be in
a très
constant
peu
contact with your team
de
leaders.
notion d'évacuation, de repli d'urgence.
Because
C'est pour ça que
what we
je
need to
signalais
keep in
tout à
mind
l'heure
is that there was
le
very
risque
little
mesuré qui a été pris
possibility to
par
withdraw
le
and
commandant
fall
des
back.
opérations de secours.
So there was a
Lorsqu'on
great
a
risk when
engagé
you
ce
send
commando
teams
et on
up
l'a
those
maintenu pour sauvegarder
towers.
les fronts.
It's a very difficult
sur
decision
le
to make
domaine
because there is
prévention,
very little possibility to withdraw
Toutes
once
les
you're in that
notions
stairwell.
de visite annuelle, de visite technique,
Also,
de
there
réception
are annual
technique,
visits that are carried
des
out.
aménagements,
There are
de
technical visits,
concertation avec
technical checkups. There
l'autorité
are
de police,
conservation
donc le
measures
préfet de
that are
police
put in
et
place
ses
with
services,
the
le
police
service des
prefecture,
architectes de la préfecture de police,
with the
le
architectural
service
divisions of the
administratif,
police,
le
administrative
service de
services
l'évêché
from
et
the
le
Archbishop's
service
office.
d'incendie et de
We
secours,
work
donc
with the
la brigade des
fire
sapeurs-pompiers
and
de Paris.
security
Nous
officers
intervenons
as
à
well.
tous ces échelons dans le
And
cadre de la
we work
maîtrise
with
des
all of them
règles
in
de
ensuring
prévention.
that all of the prevention rules and
Lorsqu'elles
regulations
sont
are put in place,
bien en
and
place, ça permet
once they are put in
déjà
place,
d'intervenir
we
dans
can
les meilleures
act
conditions
and we
possibles
can
face à
act
un
in the best
sinistre
conditions
d'une
possible
ampleur rare.
whenever a
Il faut bien
rare
être conscient qu'on est face à
event
un
like this one
sinistre
occurs.
d'ampleur
Now again,
rare
this is a
par rapport
rare
aux mesures
incident.
donc d'urgence. Je
And
répondrai
here I'm
à
talking
ta
about
question
our
pour rester
emergency
toujours dans
plan.
la notion d'urgence.
This notion
Une fois que
of
ces règles de
urgency
prévention
and emergency is so important
qui
here.
vont très vite, on s'aperçoit que ça
But when things
fonctionne,
unfold very quickly,
puisque
you
l'évacuation a été
need a
faite.
sound
On
plan in
rentre
place,
dans une seconde thématique de
and that's what we
l'urgence,
had.
c'est la capacité opérationnelle. Ça, c'est
But then
prévu
once you've
aussi
carried
dans
out
le
your
plan
prevention
d'urgence.
plan, you
On
then have
appelle
to
la
move on
préparation
to
opérationnelle. Tous les
the
moyens
operational
destinés
side of
à
things.
accompagner
What that
l'action
means is
des
that
sapeurs-pompiers qui vont être
anything
engagés,
that the fire
montés en
teams require
puissance
in terms
dans
of support,
l'échelonnement des niveaux
for example,
d'intervention,
in moving
ça, c'est
up the chain of
précalculé.
command,
Il y a des
all
plans,
of this is
il y a une
laid
cartographie
out
précise,
beforehand.
il y a
It
des
is
moyens à
clearly
mettre en
planned.
œuvre,
There
il y
are
a des
certain means
points
that you have to
d'accès,
implement. There are
tout est
access points
répertorié.
that you
C'est-à-dire
have
que
to know of,
quasiment
and
en
everything is
aveugle, on
written
est
down.
capable d'investir
So
les
what,
locaux.
what I'm saying
Pourquoi?
is that
Parce
no one
que
goes
on
into
a
this sort of situation blindly.
séquencé
We know exactly
et
what's
on
going
a
to happen,
fait
and things
une
happen in
analyse de
an
risque
order
en partant
because
d'un
we
risque
planned
courant
for it. So
à un
you,
risque gravissime. Là, on était dans le
and you
risque
try
majeur.
and class things
Le
according to
scénario
level of
majeur.
risk.
Voilà.
And for us,
Puisqu'on
we were
savait très
in
bien
the
que
highest level
le
of risk
problème,
possible.
c'était au niveau de cette forêt, cette forêt de
And
Magdal,
again,
qui
because
était
here
sur
we're
un
talking about the
30
roofing
mètres
structure where you
de la
had the wooden
toiture
forest
de Notre-Dame.
that was at the top,
La
which was a
capacité
major risk.
opérationnelle, on a été en mesure de
From an
mener à bien de
operational
mettre
point of view,
tous ces moyens hydrauliques
We were
de
able
façon
to implement
contenue.
all forms
J'insiste
of
aussi, puisque les
water-based
intervenants,
firefighting
eux, vous
measures
livrent les fondamentaux.
possible.
Mais quand on leur dit, vous réduisez
But when
les
you go and
lances,
tell a
vous modifiez les jets de lance,
firefighter, you have to
ils n'ont pas la notion, il faut bien
turn down the
comprendre
fire
que
hose. You
quand
have to.
on est
You can't use a
sous-aéré
high pressure
avec
hose.
un
You have
masque,
to
avec
use
la
a low pressure
fumée,
hose.
avec les
And when
gaz
you
chauds
tell them that,
qui
and they are there
rebondissent
faced
sur
with the
les
heat and
il
the
faut un
smoke
échelonnement de
coming at
commandement
them,
qui prennent du recul
really,
et qui
you need
observent
a chain of
l'environnement.
command to be able
C'est
to
pour ça
take a
que dans
step
le
back,
cadre
take stock of the
de ces
situation,
lances,
and
on a fait en
give the correct
sorte
information.
de
So we were able to
protéger
ensure
en
that
fait notre patrimoine. Il y a le
firefighting
risque
hoses were used in a
public,
way to
donc
both
l'axe d'effort a
douse the
été
fire, but
la
also
protection
protect
de
all
notre
of the
patrimoine.
physical
Pour ce faire,
heritage
les lances, évidemment,
contained in the building.
on n'a pas cogné en jet-bâton dans les rosaces.
For example,
pourtant,
you have to
David
be
Expert,
aware that you
nous aurions
can't
pu le
use
faire
the
si
high
c'était
pressure
du
fire
verre normal.
hoses to
Pourquoi? Parce qu'en fait, quand on
try and
crée des
densify, which is right
exutoires,
next to one of the
des
rose
ouvrants,
windows.
on permet au gaz chaud de s'échapper.
Another issue
Et
is
quelque
that
part,
if you break one of the
on
windows,
évite au fur et à mesure un embrasement
then
trop général. Mais là, bien
you
sûr, on
may
n'a pas fait
create
parce que le feu
a
était
draft
au-dessus,
or
et
a
surtout, il
sudden
fallait préserver
draw
le
of
patrimoine.
air which could
Donc toute la
only
notion de
exacerbate the
gestion
whole fire.
patrimoniale a été prise en compte et surtout elle avait été rodée puisqu'il y a eu plusieurs
But then,
exercices. Ça fait
in this
3 ans.
entire
Faut savoir qu'au
fighting,
ministère de
this
l'Agriculture,
entire fight, we
la
had to
brigade de
ensure
sapeurs-pompiers,
that
en détachant
all of
des
the
officiers
heritage
dont
items
j'étais
within the
partie,
building were saved.
contribue fortement à
All of this
mettre en place
feeds into
des
these plans and the
séquences de
prevention plans that we have,
formation et
and is very
d'inspection
much part
qui
and parcel
permettent
of all of the training programs that we
There you have it, the Paris Fire Brigade giving an update on the situation